Are you recording?
Yes.
Are you recording? Okay, good. This is Rogo's Run, so we've got a span here. I would say a safe span. 14 feet is a safe span. 16, get down there. 16 would be nice. So a 16-foot span. And width-wise, we can kind of, I would say we want to be generous here.
Yeah, we need a minimum of that. That's like the minimum for the league
So
rules.
3 foot, 4 foot would be nice.
4 foot.
42 inches would be fine too.
Great.
So, and we got the same thing over here. Let's just measure this one quick if we can jump through the woods and turn past here. Ready?
Rolling.
Okay, so this is another one. 16 foot is a safe distance. Right now they've got 4x4s, and it's just 2 4x4s underneath here with 5/4 decking. So we could do something similar, but I think the biggest question here is span between these, and if we're going to use shingles and use the same, you know, would we do 1/4 inch spacing versus they kind of got a random spacing here and more open. So, okay, we'll go on to the next one. I mean, other you can stop recording. I don't know why.
Right. Yep.
Okay, so this is next section here beyond those 2 bridges, and we've got some S-curves in here. So if we mapped it out right now as is and kind of redid it, great opportunity for like a bank to see what we could do here. And we have got a 6-foot straight until we hit the bank. This bank I'd say an 8-foot bank, and then a straight section here, another 6-foot straight section, eight-foot bank, and these are, if they're 45s, it'd be nice to figure this out, but that's really close to 45, so basically a matching set there. And then we'll go from here. And I think we could run this. We need a 16-foot section here. So let's go 12 foot of straight. We need to make a little curve here. Approach that almost have to be just a custom piece. And then I think our 16-foot span here. 16 gets us to here. Another little corrector section, and then we can run a 16-foot out. Let's see what 16 feet from here gets us. 16 from here. Almost need one more section. So 1, 2, 3 16-foot sections here, 2 6-foot straights, 2 8-foot curves, and a couple little adjusters. Okay, stop recording. So we've got a makeshift feature here. Basically a piece of 3/4 inch plywood that is sketchy. I mean, it's been screwed in way too many times to count. Reinforced with a 2x4, but the potential is here for any kind of feature like this. So what can you envision? The old red oak stump would be cool to build off of. It's still probably got a few years in it, but do you actually build something that spans it even though it's there? It's free supporting. Possibly a tabletop. Like my concern here would be this tree. Obviously you got to hit the gap, but if you get out of line here, it kind of sucks to hit that tree. So generally though, what are we talking about here? Approach of 4 feet. That's the width of the sheet of plywood, right? Span of 18 inches is safe, and then return here. And what could you do for width? You could probably go, I mean, 18 inches would feel a lot safer, and there's definitely room for it. So 18 inches wide, 4 foot this way. Some kind of feature, and what this is called is a cheat route, right? So if you don't want to hit the ramp or the jump, then you leave a cheat route to ride around. Okay.